In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subtle logo watermark in Adobe Premiere Pro. A clean watermark keeps your brand visible without distracting from the story, and it only takes a moment to set up correctly. First, bring your logo or image into your project. Ideally, use a PNG with a transparent background so only the logo itself shows on top of the footage. If your file isn't transparent, you'll see a solid box behind it, which can look unpolished. Higher resolution logos scale better, so choose a crisp file that won't get blurry when you resize it. Once it's in your project panel, drag the logo onto the timeline so it sits on a video track above your main footage. Stacking it on a higher track ensures it appears on top. If your edit spans multiple clips, place the logo clip so it covers the sections where you want the watermark visible and trim its in and out points to match your needs. Now let's dial in the size and placement. Click to select the logo clip on the timeline, then open the Effect Controls panel. Under Motion, you'll see Scale and Position. Start by reducing the scale until the logo feels present but not overpowering. Avoid scaling up beyond the image's native resolution, which can cause pixelation. For placement, the bottom right corner is a classic choice because it's visible yet out of the primary action. Nudge the position values until the logo sits a little away from the edges, leaving some breathing room so it doesn't hug the frame. Also consider what else lives on screen: subtitles, lower thirds, or important visual details, so the watermark doesn't cover anything viewers need to see. To make the watermark feel tasteful, soften it with transparency. Still in Effect Controls, find opacity and lower it to somewhere around 50 to 70%. This range keeps the logo identifiable while blending with the footage. If your background is very bright or very dark, adjust a bit higher or lower to maintain visibility without drawing the eye. Scrub through a few different shots to confirm the opacity feels consistent across varied lighting and colors. Before you wrap, play back the sequence at full screen to check the overall balance. The logo should be steady, clear, and out of the way. If it competes with key visuals, reduce the scale a touch or shift it slightly within the same corner. That's it. Import your transparent logo, layer it above your footage, set the size and corner placement in Motion, and lower the opacity for a subtle